Hello everyone, welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Biana Bhavsar with an update on Australia weather. Severe weather warning for Australia as rain band, damaging winds and dangerous surf intensify. A major rain event is building across Australia, with parts of the country already experiencing heavy rain, strong wind and hazardous surface. As forecasters warn, some regions could cop their heaviest falls in the month. Heavy rain, thunderstorms and strong winds are expected to affect every state and territory over coming days, with flooding possible in parts of NSW and Tasmania as upper-level troughs and low-pressure system move across the nation. According to the weather zone, an active weather pattern will be driven by a series of slow-moving upper-level lows, creating unstable conditions capable of producing widespread rain, storms and gusty wind. The wet weather is expected to stretch across South Australia, Queensland, NSW, Victoria, Tasmania, the ACT and the Southern Northern Territory through to midweek before shifting further east later in the week. Bureau of the meteorologists warned a significant rain event was developing across eastern Australia. Forecaster models indicate much of southeastern and eastern Australia will receive rainfall between Monday and Friday night, although totals are expected to vary significantly depending on the thunderstorm and rain bands develop. Meteorologists said rainfall would initially focus on South Australia, Western Queensland, Western NSW and Victoria before consolidating into a broader rain band from the midweek. Though those showers do consolidated into a rain band and the focus shift towards the east into central and southeast Queensland, eastern NSW and down towards eastern Tasmania. By Wednesday, thunderstorms are forecast to intensify across Queensland and northern eastern NSW, while eastern and northern NSW along with eastern Tasmania face the highest risk of heavy rainfall and flooding. Southern Queensland could receive up to 100 mm of rain extending from coastal areas into inland regions, including the Darling Downs, according to the Bureau. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you.